Hey, we're gonna box HP Chromebook X360 14a. I just got this from Walmart and it was around $175 for the Black Friday sale. Get it if you still can. Looks good. So let's see. Total was around $200 after taxes. So let's take a look at the box. So let's see. 14-inch touchscreen, Intel, Celeron, 4 gigs RAM, 64 gigs of storage, more screen, 14. I got this one because it's 14-inch. And let's take a look at the box. Look at it right there. All the specs in that. If you guys could read that one. Here's the back side. Nothing much. Let's see. I'll read it. High definition content require high definition images. Multi-core. Up to 512 of main system memory may be associated with video graphics. I wonder if this is upgradable. So yeah, there's that side. There's that side. Battery warning. Nothing on the bottom. Let's open it up. Okay, just got this for the Black Friday sale, so if you guys could find it, go for it. I don't know about the 11-inch. 11 inches are pretty small. So let's take a look at the inside. Looks like charging case over here. The power cable. Three prong. It's pretty small. Look at that. Oh, it's USB-C, which is pretty cool. Let's take a look at the info on that. 45 watts. There's the settings for if you guys lose it. USB certified charging. So yep, three prong, yep. So there's the cables. There's the laptop. Look at that color. Yep. Let's see what else comes in inside. Nothing else in the box. Walmart. It's from Walmart. That's crazy. What is it? Leave us a review. And here's the system setup instructions. Take a look at that. It is a Chromebook, so I will be looking at the specs after I turn it on and install some apps, because you can't really look up the specs. And I will test the stuff out after I install all the stuff. Setup, charging, desktop, launcher, components, touchscreen camera, wireless antenna, which is 3 on top, volume, there's a volume button, supercharging USB, power light, power, audio jacks, another side, and then point gestures, 2 fingers, triple fingers. If you guys lose, if you guys buy a used one, yeah. Have you take a look at that. Location. Yep, that one's it, and that one, and then let's see, what is this one? Micro SD are available in selected models. Which is, wow, they use paper just for that. That's weird. User agreement for Chromebook, probably. Yeah. Wow, that's fine print. Look at that. So yeah, let's take a look at the laptop. Chromebook. How to open this? HP. HP Chromebook. Sides. Headphone jack. USB power. Power button. Nothing on that side. Looks like a cover. This side, volume button. USB power. Powered by both sides. And this is also USB powered. My bad. And power light right there. And then the bottom. Let's see. There's the bottom. Wow, there's like no vents on this thing. That's crazy. Okay. Let's look at the model number. There's the model number. Warranty 1 year. Wow, it tells you on there. Serial number. All that stuff's on there. Well, okay. Let's open it up. Wow, this is recyclable. That's weird and cool. Okay. There's a screen there, and look at that. It's foldable 360. So yeah, let's take a look at it. There's the keyboard. Plus speakers on the side. Touchpad. See how it looks. That's good size. So yeah, let's turn it on. It's on the other side. Maybe we need to plug it in. Think we need to plug it in. Let's plug it in. Spot it if you have not played this game. Get it. It's crazy. It's really good. It's like a memory game. You play with kids, play with adults. It's really good. And they just came out with a SpongeBob one, if you didn't know. It's crazy. It's charging on that side. Let's turn it on. Voila. So yep, looks like setup. Let's see. Volume works ready. Mute, unmute, lock, unlock, screen, widescreen, refresh, escape, control shift. Those are a little big. Oh, that's crazy. Oops. Back touchscreen, looks like it's working. Let's go back. Let's see if the screen's. Well, looks like it's charging. Doesn't even say how much power there is. Okay, but yeah. So yeah, let's see. Control, up, down. Let's go. Let's install. Let's see if we can install this. How do I do it without internet? You need internet, really? So yeah, I'm gonna have to install everything, and we'll take a look at that after. So yeah, this is the HP Chromebook X360 14a. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll look into it more.